Are you ready for a new deck for relaxing and entertaining this summer? Is your old wood deck rotting? Is it unsafe with missing boards or loose railing? Then it's time for a safer, more functional outdoor deck area. Let our expert team help you design a deck that will transform your outdoor living space. Enjoy more time outside this summer on your beautiful, modern, easy-to-maintain composite deck from Allstate's Home Improvement. Our professional installers use the highest quality materials, work efficiently, and focus only on your job until completion. Allstate's Home Improvement is highly rated with over 1,000 Google reviews and over 30,000 happy local customers. You can rely on us for your home project. Call us for a free no-obligation consultation.
Don't wait! Take advantage of our summer offer. 25% off materials and no payments and no interest for 12 months.
Call Allstate's Home Improvement to update your home.
Let our family work for yours.